Hi there, it's PJ here. So a quick one, I'm going to give you tips that you hold on to for Valentine tips. You know that Valentine is season of love. It's time to show love. One of the expressions of love is giving. So you, dear Christian brother, it's not your time to lock yourself into the room and begin to pray. And you love somebody. You may have told her or you may not have told her, but this Valentine's season will be a good time to show some love by giving. Things you can give to a lady: wristwatch, a card, handbag, a shirt. You can just find anything based on your capacity. You can get into a gift shop, look for a couple of things packaged and give it as a gift. Don't say it's a season of prayer. Don't go and pray. You prayed in January, give in February, right? Give. And also you need to know that giving is not gender specific. Guys can give and ladies can give as well. So I want to advise you that giving is both ways. So you lady, give and don't give underwear. Look for things to give. You can give a guy a wristwatch, you can give a guy a t-shirt, you can give a guy a belt, you can give him a shoe. Just every beautiful thing that he can have can be given. So use this season to tell the lady how much you love her. Maybe you hadn't told her before. Your gift could do the talking for you right about now. Second tip is, if you don't have anybody in your life, I would advise you to be content in yourself. Take yourself out. Take your female friends out. Hang out with your female friends. Go out and enjoy yourself. Be comfortable in your own skin, in your own situation, and wherever you are at the moment. Powerful tip. And number 3 tip is no pressures. No pressures. Don't pressure yourself into what you cannot afford. Stay within your limits in this season of Valentine. Number 4 tip is what? You don't have to go. You don't have to go. It's okay to spend your Valentine right in your house, or better still, go to a church activity. Many churches, many campuses are having their fellowship, love hangout, love affairs, love splash, and all of that. Please be a part of it. Don't pressure yourself into going where you're not supposed to go. Stay home. If you don't have a good place to go, stay home, alright? And you're still going to enjoy your Valentine. Last but not the least tip is what? Valentine and love is not synonymous to sex and fornication. These Valentines, zip up. Zip up because you may catch STD. Zip up because sex is not a show of love. Zip up because you might just be deceived. So people are going to go out to set a target for themselves and say, I must sleep with somebody tonight. And they're looking for anything, just about anything to sleep with. You don't have to be anything. Your name is not anything. So zip up. Brother, zip up. Sister, zip up. So you have to know that you can keep yourself on Valentine's Day. Valentine is not a time for fornication and sex. It's for your own good. You don't have to pressure yourself into sleeping with somebody, having sex, or committing fornication, or just being loose. No way. Remember, your New Year's resolution, it still holds fast even in February. So love is not synonymous to what? To sex. So you have to do what? Zip up. Alright. Thank you and see you. It's your girl PJ.